Skinny Minnie. Hello, good morning. It's 5:47 a.m. 66 degrees outside. And you're a pretty birdie. Hi. My morning dove. My beautiful morning doves. My little cool birds. They represent peace and purity. Oh, better results. Find the right routine to get skinny. Yeah. Oh, what was that? Yeah, I keep picking up on the throat. So this morning I woke up clearing my throat a lot. Okay, so somebody has maybe was not speaking what they were feeling or something with something. Somebody has a lump in their throat with what they want to express or something. Oh my God! Look at the little babies. Hi, little babies. You're so cute. See, this is what I like to see. You know, I don't mind the pigeons coming to eat, but they're just not peaceful. They're just coming loud and they're just rambunctious and da da da. Like, I know sometimes I can get loud, but I feel like for the most part, I'm dainty like this too, you know? I just don't get it. Oh, you get your babies. You're so cute. It rained really heavy last night, like downpoured. Yeah. So someone could just be flooded with emotions because water represents emotions. So they're flooded with emotions, with something, a lot to say on their throat, you know, and something about keeping your head high, okay? Yes. Something about, like, don't allow things to bring you down or going down or, yeah, have a great day. Continue to be happy no matter what.